Hi, hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is longitudinal waves and transfer waves. One of my subscriber asking about this concept. See, first I will explain the longitudinal waves, then transfer waves. What is the longitudinal waves? The particles of the medium which are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. So the particles which are vibrating along the direction of propagation of the wave. So with diagram we can discuss this. See, this is the direction of propagation of the wave. This is the direction of propagation of the wave, and the medium particles which are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. So the medium particles which are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. So these are the medium particles which are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. Here theta is equal to 0. So this is the wave propagation. So this is wave velocity direction, and next these are the particles of the medium. So medium particles, see, which are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. See, so best example for the longitudinal waves is sound waves. For that one example I am going to write, and also here compressions and rarefactions will be formed. See, with diagram we can discuss. So take a tuning fork. So this is the tuning fork like this, which is vibrated by the rubber hammer, then longitudinal waves will be formed in the air. So that is simply taking sound waves or longitudinal waves. See, compressions and rarefactions are alternately takes place like this. So we can compressions and rarefactions. See. So this is the C is the compression, and this is the R is the rarefaction. Takes place between the two compressions. See, C is the compression and R is the rarefaction. So compressions and rarefactions are alternately formed in the longitudinal waves. One thing we can clearly understand, in the compression region, what happens, the particles are come close to each other. What particle? Medium particles are come close to each other. That's why the density of the medium particle is increases. Density increases, then pressure also increases. At compression area, density of the medium particle is increases, that's why pressure also increases. See this, and rarefaction area. So at rarefaction area the particles are move away. So that's why here density is very less, that's why the pressure also very less in the rarefaction region in the longitudinal wave. Like this, in the sound, longitudinal waves will be formed. Another example also we can take. For example, this is the spring. So like horizontally one spring is taken, compress and left it freely, then it execute simple harmonic motion from the mean position. In spring also compressions and rarefactions alternately form. So another example I am taking like this: compression and next rarefaction, next compression, next rarefaction. So compression, at that loops are very close, and rarefaction area, the loops are far away, like this. Here loop density is more, that's why pressure is maximum at the compression area, rarefaction area. So loops are move away, density is less, and pressure also minimum. So this longitudinal waves takes place in solids, liquids, and also gases. That is all the properties of all the matter that is possible in the all the states of matter. So these waves can be transmitted through the solids, liquids, and gases, because for the propagation volume elasticity is necessary. What is necessary here? Elastic nature of the medium is required. Okay, and next, the medium should possess the property of elasticity, because of the wave is propagated in a elastic medium. That's why energy and momentum is transferred from source. Okay, that's why the medium is required elasticity. Next, longitudinal waves can't be polarized. Okay, so transfer waves only polarize. Here longitudinal waves can't be, here cannot be polarized. Okay, so polarized is one of the particular topic that is in wave optics we will discuss. Now here best example for the sound longitudinal waves is sound. Sound waves are the best example for the longitudinal waves. Okay, so the medium particle which are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave is called longitudinal wave, in which compressions and rarefactions are alternately formed by vibrating the tuning fork with the help of rubber hammer. So compression area, density of the medium particle more, pressure is more. Rarefaction area, density is less and pressure also less. This is completely about the longitudinal waves. So the distance between the two successive particles of the medium that represent the wavelength of the longitudinal waves. So we will discuss longitudinal waves in the open organ pipe and also closed organ pipe. Just a minute, I will come back with transfer waves. I will click. Now continuation transfer waves. So in transfer waves, the particles of the medium, that is medium particle, which are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. This is the direction of propagation of the wave and this is the vibration. See, like this. The medium particles which are vibrating perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. See, and all the medium particles. Then continuation here, the best example for the transfer waves is stretched string in the waves chapter, and basically light waves are transfer waves. Light waves are transfer waves. See, for this, in a transfer wave, we will find the crest and trough alternately. Crest and trough alternately. Okay, so this is the crest and this is the trough, and the next crest and trough alternately form. So that lambda is the wavelength between the two successive particles of the medium. Between the two successive particles of the medium. So the wave start from the origin. This is the time is pi by 2, phase. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. So we can write here 3 pi by 2, and next here 2 pi. So instead of here I am writing this is pi by 2. Next time, this is 0, t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 2 and t. Time taken to complete one wave is called time period. So the medium particles which are vibrating perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave is called transfer waves. Transfer waves can propagate only in solids and on the surface of the liquid. And next point is here the medium should possess the property of rigidity and shearing stress. The medium must require property of rigidity and shearing stress. Next, transfer waves can be polarized. Polarization is one of the subtopic in the wave optics. And best example for the transfer waves is stretched string, and light waves are the transfer waves. Students, if you feel any concept is difficult, please comment that chapter name and subtopic name, that I will do the one video and upload that video. Please like and subscribe my channel Nature of Physics. Thank you.